Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about how to get a license for physiotherapist, occupational therapist, sports therapist and psychomotor therapist. As our previous video we have discussed that there are four main authorities are in UAE. Before it was three, now four. That is DHA to work in Dubai and DOH to work in Abu Dhabi, Sharjah Health Authority to work in Sharjah, and MOH to work in Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Umm Al Quwain and Fujairah. And we all heard the news that his license is going to be unique. But since the license is not unique, we don't know when it will be. So today I am going to explain about these four categories, how to get the license in UAE, what are the requirements. First I would like to explain about physiotherapist. Physiotherapist, there are mainly two categories. One is physiotherapist and another is physiotherapy technician. Physiotherapist means we need 2 years of experience after bachelor degree of physiotherapy. So physiotherapy technician means we need 2 years of experience after diploma in physiotherapy. That's minimum 2 years course duration plus 2 years of experience. And the home country registration is mandatory whichever the country you are working or you studied, you need the home country registration. And somebody has done the masters, even the masters or bachelor, you are going to apply as a same physiotherapist only. There is no specific type change for that if you complete master in physiotherapy. Second one is occupational therapy. That is one of the wonderful opportunity for that occupational therapist, because the number of the candidate who's attending the exam comparatively less about physiotherapists. So as a personal experience that there is more opportunity for occupational therapists than physiotherapists, because the number of the candidates are less. With occupational therapist also there are two titles. One is occupational therapist, that we need bachelor degree or 3 years diploma plus 2 years of experience. And for the occupational therapy technician, that is 2 years diploma plus 2 years of experience. That is required for the occupational therapy. And the next one is sports therapy. Sports therapy and psychomotor therapy. The sports therapy, we need a bachelor degree plus 2 years experience. There is no technician course title available for the sports therapy if you complete the diploma. And next one is psychomotor therapy. That also bachelor degree plus 2 years of experience. There is no technician title available for it. So these are the base information for this category. And all the category we need home country license. So you have to do the registration in your home country, that is mandated to apply in Gulf region. And we need the valid good standing certificate from the registration council. And as soon as complete your course, please try to do the registration. Sometimes that experience is calculating on the base of registration date. If you have completed a course in 2021, but you are not doing the registration, you are doing the registration 2025, sometimes the experience will calculate on the base of the registration date. So please try to do the registration as soon as complete the course. The registration date is important in your career. My name is Shijo Thomas. I am a health licensing consultant from Foreign Plus Health Professional and Facility Registration Firm. Any physiotherapist or occupational therapist, sports or psychomotor therapist would like to work in UAE, or if you want to know about how to apply, if you want any kind of information to apply in DHA, DOH, MOH or Sharjah Health Authority, you can contact Foreign Plus anytime. Thank you very much.